everyone. Today I am here with this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, and it is incredible. All of the latest features that the Jeep Wrangler has come out with are inside of this vehicle. So you have that amazing media center, leather seats, of course it's a convertible, you have your tow package in the back as well, and we'll get into more later. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So first of all, it comes in this gray exterior color. I love all of the red accents as well, so you have those in your two tow hooks in the front and your Rubicon on the side. You have that ventilation on your hood there, gives it that really cool appearance, and then you also have your updated headlamps and your classic Jeep Wrangler grille right there. Fog lamps are below as well. Then over to your fender flares. Those are super nice. You have that Rubicon decal stretching across the side right there. And your wheels are 17-inch alloy black with that kind of silver on the outside as well. Lots of tread on those tires, of course. And this has a 3.6-liter V6 engine underneath that hood. Now on the side you have more badging for your trail-rated 4x4 because this thing can go anywhere. Then you have your Jeep and Wrangler Unlimited decal below that. Then making your way over to your side mirrors, those are powered and heated. Okay, so looking at these front seats, that black and red theme continues on the interior. So you have that Rubicon embroidered there, red exposed stitching, and these are leather seats. Super comfortable, just amazing quality. Then looking over at your leather up steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with your media controls on the back. Love the red on the dashboard as well. And then let's take a look at that 8.4-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by UCONNECT, again updated in the new Wranglers. So you have your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You have your media options here, so you can plug in your phone, listen to your own music. Climate controls are dual. You can have different settings on each side or have them synced up. Then all of your UCONNECT apps are on these pages. Traveling, projection manager, you can project your phone on the screen. All of that, all of your settings and everything are on these pages. Then here's your control for your backup camera. So this is the first Jeep Wrangler to have a backup camera in the 18s. Super cool that you can see behind you when you're backing up, just have that additional safety feature. Then you have your navigation settings here. So, I mean, self-explanatory. Have your navigation, it'll get you to your destination, you have that map, so that's awesome. And then your phone settings are here, so you can make and receive phone calls on your pages here. So down below you have all of your climate controls in button form, so your dual settings, everything, your radio controls on either side, hill descent there, your traction control, active stop and go. And then below that you have a media hub with USB port, aux port, charging, all of that right there with a 12-volt right there. Window buttons in the middle, and then you have all of your four-wheel drive auxiliaries and stuff below that. Automatic stick, love how you know, they incorporate the Jeep Wrangler into pretty much every facet of their vehicles. Super cool, four-wheel drive, of course. And then you have your two cup holders here in the middle. Then looking into your center console, you have this top layer for, you know, stuff you want easily accessible, and then a deeper layer below that that has another USB port in it. Then looking up, you have your SOS assist, which is subscribable, and then you have your universal garage door openers right there. And this is a three-piece Freedom hardtop, so you can take any section of the roof off that you want. Super nice. So of course it is a convertible, and you really have that freedom, like the name says, to have any kind of configuration of your doors, your roof that you want inside of this Wrangler. And let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in the back seat here you have room for 3 passengers. You can fold down this cup holder armrest that has 2 cup holders in it, and you have your kind of command center down here with your window buttons, USBs, charging ports, 115 volt, and some storage kind of shelving. You also have these kind of organizational stuff on the back of your front seats, so you can, you know, clip stuff on here or kind of put stuff in there. It's really unique and really cool. You also have your sound bar up top, and these seats can fold down flat, so if you need more room in your trunk, you can just lay those down flat, have a really big space back here. So making your way around the side, you have your full-size spare tire back here, LED tail lamps. I want to point out this is where your backup camera is, so it's right in the middle of that spare tire, so that's kind of how they incorporated that in. You have a tow hook below, and your tow package next to it, so you can bring all of your trailers and stuff. And then on your key fob, you have your remote start there, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. All right, taking a look into the trunk, lots of space. Like I said, you can fold all those seats down, and then you have your Alpine subwoofer over on this side, so you have that amazing sound quality in the back here. So overall, just amazing vehicle. I love all of the updated features that come with the 18 Wranglers. So all of that technology, all of that safety, and just all of that fun. So if you want to see this Jeep Wrangler or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.